What are you doing, little guy? Just a second, I'm gonna get to you soon. This is Coop Monday. Nazare Narkia. Oh, guess he went back to his room. Oh, what do you want? So it's you that's making all the ruckus. What? You want us to be on YouTube too? We videotaped? Oh, now you be quiet, huh? You just want some... Oh, really? What? What, you telling him to shut up? Thank you, because I can't speak parrot. No, I can't speak macaw. Honey. Honey. Chip. 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 You honey or Chip? Chip? Honey? You honey? Honey? Yeah. Yeah, like to dance just like me. Instead of honey or Chip, I'm gonna call you Marcus. It's like, why are you going away? What do you want? Scarlet Macaw. And we have blue and gold macaw. Polly want a cracker? Hello. Oh, hi. Hello. 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 Second one was the bird. Oh, you laughing? Was that you laughing? Ha ha. Hello. Hello. I'm just saying hello. Why'd you say aha for? Hello. Hello. Come down. Come down. Hello. Goodbye. 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 Oh, be quiet, Marcus. Hello. Yeah, I can hear them. I don't think you guys can, though. What you want, Marcus? What? Honey. Okay, so you're Honey. You must be Chip. Ow. Bye-bye. Bye. No, I can't. Sorry. if we can. Oh, we can go in, but I don't think we can now. It's past time. And they definitely like to buck heads. Smash the heads. Shut up! What the fuck? It's like I just jizzed on you. I want to smell it. Oh my God. Hey Elmo, hope you're liking this. Oh, I think this one's pregnant. That one's playing dead. He's like, oh, I've been shot. What the fuck? Yeah. It's like, damn girl, let me smell that ass and let me fuck you. Ah, yeah. Get it on. Yeah, I think I've done my job. But let's give them a try. Oh, look at this yellow little white one. Oh, so cute. He hit his head off the wood. Oh, that one has some. Woo! They're getting pretty feisty. Elmo, the black one's definitely you. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. And they're just little kids. They shouldn't learn this type of stuff. See, that's what you get when they see grown-ups having sex. Because then kids start doing it and then they have babies. Okay guys, well, that's the end of Magnetic Hail Zoo. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Oh, just gonna show you one more thing. before I start to go. What the freaking hell are these? Peasants? Turkeys? I have no idea. Look at the fancy designs. I'm gonna run up and scare them. Screw it, I am. Wow. They're like turkeys. Oh. And yep. But like I was saying before, this is Killerman1824. Look me up on PlayStation if you want to. Like and subscribe to my channel. It will be much of a help to me try and get some cool, funny videos, even if they are sometimes retarded. Killerman out.